My name is Nathan from Nathan's Ultimate Channel. Previously, I did a video on how to make popcorn, so I figured, hey, let's do another food. And this time, I'll be doing chicken nuggets. Oh, you see? Alright, so first you gotta take those out of the bag. Oh my god. Did they just put water in them? Uh-oh, here comes my brother. Drew, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm making chicken nuggets.
Do you know how to?
I? Look, Drew,
How many do you want?
Whatever. I'm not even those. Ugh.
Which ones are you
Can I just make my chicken nuggets alone?
What?
I want to make my chicken nuggets alone. Please.
Max is gonna help you open the bag. He's just trying to help. You need to be nice. Just say thank you, Drew. Now, I want to do it myself, please. Do
Whatever.
it for 2 minutes.
Sorry, I just had episodes with my Drew. Anyway, those chicken nuggets weren't working out, so I decided to use this bag instead. Okay. Let's just... Okay. So, I have this little... I have this little plate. Yeah, you see Mickey Mouse there. And then all you have to do is take out some chicken nuggets. Please don't drop them. Oh my god, we're running out of them. Voila! Ah! Yeah. Great. Am I really trying to make a mess on my channel? This is Nathan's Ultimate Channel, not Nathan's Foolish Channel. No, whatever. Drew, get out! You doing? Is he going to the bathroom? Oh, sorry, I need to clean this up. Okay. Anyway. Do you see some chicken nuggets right there? Voila. Okay, so careful. Yes. Alright, just like the popcorn, except it's chicken nuggets. You have to put them in the microwave. And then hello, Drew. No, don't try to take them out. Don't try to.
I'm putting these away.
So what? You almost took over my channel in one video. Ugh. Tastes like diapers. Big Nathan. What?
If the chicken nuggets are cold, turn them over and put them in for 30 seconds. Just trying to help.
They won't be cold. Don't. Don't listen to Drew. He doesn't know how to make channels. He doesn't know how to make videos. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Alright, let me just check the chicken nuggets. Some of them are okay. Ooh, they're hot. Seriously, don't listen to Drew. I think those chicken nuggets are okay. Voila! The chicken nuggets are ready. So yeah, that's how you make chicken nuggets. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some of my other real life videos. Oh, and be on the lookout for some new YouTube poops out there.